Have you ever wondered what happens after a workshop ends? Yesterday, we hosted a beautiful paid soap making workshop here at Skilled Hands. And today, I'm behind the scenes cleaning up, unmolding the soap and preparing them for curing. This part is quiet, it's slow, but it's also one of my favorite moments because every bar of soap you see here represents someone learning something new, trying something different, and discovering creativity they didn't know they had. As Skilled Hands, that's really what we are about. Creating spaces where people can learn practical skills, relax, connect, and build confidence through creativity. We run a wide range of hands-on workshops across Nottingham, from soap making, perfume making, lip balm, and body care workshops, to jewelry making, bag making, fascinators, hatinators, and many more creative experiences. Some people join us for hen parties, some come for team bonding and corporate well-being sessions. Others come simply because they want to try something new. And honestly, watching people realize I made this myself never gets old. As we prepare for the months ahead, we are also excited about one of our most meaningful community events, our International Women's Day celebration, called Pat on the Back. This year marks the 6th edition, and it continues to grow every year. On the 20th of March 2026, from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m., we'll be gathering at the Mary Porter Children's Centre in Nottingham for a day of empowerment, connection, and celebration. We are partnering with the Architecture Department at Nottingham Trent University alongside Empower from the University of Nottingham to deliver interactive activities where attendees will explore ideas around their dream homes, dream kitchens, and future living spaces. We will also be welcoming 2 incredible keynote speakers, Natasha Page and Lucy Cassidy, who will be sharing powerful insights to inspire attendees for their next phase this year. There will be great conversations, meaningful connections, and of course, plenty of food to eat together. And while we are talking about exciting things ahead, we've also officially released the theme for this year's Red Carpet event, Threads of Resilience. This year, we are returning to the beautiful Djanogly Theatre at Sherwood Rise, happening on the 24th of October 2026. We are currently looking for models aged 5 years and above. So if your daughter is interested in modeling and being part of something empowering and creative, please get in touch. Our contact details will be on the screen and in the description. We are also opening advertising opportunities inside this year's Red Carpet brochure. Businesses can secure back cover pages, middle spreads, or feature placements. And with an expected audience of at least 150 attendees, it's a fantastic opportunity to showcase your brand to a supportive community audience. Every ticket holder receives a brochure, meaning your business gets real visibility. As Skilled Hands, everything we do centers around creativity, empowerment, and community. Whether you're joining a workshop, attending an event, booking a corporate well-being session, or simply following our journey, you are part of something bigger. So as these soaps begin their curing process, we are also preparing for new ideas, new collaborations, and new opportunities for people to learn, grow, and create. If you'd like to join us, collaborate, or book a workshop, visit our website or contact us using the details below and come along with us, because creativity is always better when it's shared.